welcome to CleverShakes. I'm Sara and here I have a new guest for this episode. We have Felipe from Clever Triggers. He's a trigger man and he is a marketer and he's gonna teach you today what to do in quarantine.
Hi guys, my name is Felipe. I'm the trigger man. I will tell you about my new project. I decided for the quarantine to create my own brand, and now I will tell you how I will do it. I have passed my first quarantine weekend thinking about how I can build my brand at my home. I have a podcast, and at the podcast I explain you with 22 steps. But here I will make you a summary of 6 main steps to build your brand.
Number 1.
Make an introspection and write down your values, qualities, and skills. Only think about it, how you can help the people with your hobby, talent, or knowledge. So the idea is to make a list of your skills, qualities, and values, and then filter it. The idea is to define 3 main skills, qualities.
Can I do it longer?
Yeah, you could, but the idea is to be concise.
Step number 2.
Here you have to think about your style. You desire the people see you. The idea is to create your brand, and we have a mood board that you can download here in our description.
Step number 3.
Do a brainstorm about your name. First, you can start reading the paper with your skills, qualities, and values.
Step number 4.
Create your own logo. You already have your name and your mood board. You can watch all the previous steps to get inspiration for your logo.
Also guys, remember in CleverShakes we have already a video in our channel and playlist in Spanish and another one in English, so you can follow that tutorial to create your logo in Canva for completely free. Step number 5.
Think about your audience and target your public. Think of who needs your content.
Try to find someone that really needs you. Step number 6.
Finally, create a channel to communicate with your target audience. It could be an Instagram account, a Facebook fan page, a YouTube channel, a podcast. Be creative about which channel use your target audience to consume the content.
So if I want only create an Instagram, can I do it?
Yeah, sure.
Or if I only want to create a blog in Blogger or something like that, it's possible too?
It is possible, but I recommend you to create 2 or more channels because you can use a transmedia strategy. You can communicate to the people with a video and with a blog and with a YouTube channel or podcast.
The most important thing, guys, is your target can listen what you say. Help these people, right, Felipe? Yes, guys.
Thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also subscribe to Clever Triggers to follow Felipe and his plans to do this quarantine. Be safe, stay home, and
Don't go out of your house. Don't be a COVID-19 idiot.
check your mind.
And be clever.